Vandag is ons by Rio Grande Premier en vandag handel ons omtrent so 700 paar skoene uit. Wat die kinders hiervan weet hier is dat hulle ook 'n warme bakkie kos, so toebroodjies, hulle gaan 'n paar lekkernye kry en dis wat ons organisasie Lace Up for Change, dis waar ons that's what we're all about. Hier is die skool wat that will get the most benefit from starting off the anniversaries celebrations in this fashion, but it went beyond our expectation. To be able to give 700 pairs of school shoes was no mean feat. An amazing work done by the whole team. Yes, we slaved, we took on the 42 kilometers. It was a tough day out on the street, but you know what, when you see the smiles on the kids' faces, the excitement that's here today, makes them forget about everything else that's happening in and around the world, and just for this short space of time to put a smile on their faces, that's what counts the most. And that also for the educators that find themselves here. Vir my is dit baie belangrik om te kom dat onderwys word nie net in die klaskamer gegee nie, but as 'n onderwyser moet ons uit die klaskamer uit gaan and share with what we have, share with other educators to show that educators care about educators. For us, like I told you, 24 hours is too little, but we make every minute count because we don't know if we're going to see the time of day tomorrow, because God has a time and a place for all of us. So today, with the feeding of the food, the warm food and the sandwiches and the luxuries, we just want their special prayers. We want these learners of Rio Grande Primary not to forget about today. If ever there's a dark day in their lives, they must think about this day that just unknown friends came and put a smile on their face. And that's our big message today, is to share that love, share that people care about people, and we just want to spread the message of Lace Up for Change. We want to give dignity and we want to give the humanity back to people again.
Die skool is 50 jaar oud, yes. Ja, 50 jaar oud. Maar ek is 44 jaar by die skool. Toe ek kom was die skool 6 jaar oud. Ja, ek dink ons is almal baie opgewonde. Al die onderwysers, natuurlik die ouers ook daar buite, want dit gebeur selde met ons kinders. En skoene val is 'n groot nood in die area. Ons kinders kry nie maklik skoene nie. En as u sal sien, dan sal u sien baie van hulle either te groot skoen aan of te klein. En by 'n sekere tyd van die jaar, dan laat ons hulle toe met 'n tekkie of met 'n slipper te kom, want dan is daar nie meer skoene nie. En baie van ons weet nie size hulle koop te groot of te klein. So ons is baie dankbaar, want ek dink dit is die uiterste nood as 'n paar skoene vir hierdie kinders.